Hello, little learners! Welcome back to Bloom and Learn Kids. Today, we're exploring colors all around us. Ready for a colorful adventure? Let's go! Here is the first color. This is the red color. Let's spell it together. R-E-D, red. Great job! Now, let's discover some red things together. Here is a sweet red strawberry. Shiny red balloons float in the sky. Here's a bright red car zooming down the road. Look, a red rose, so bright and pretty. Here's a red ladybug on a leaf. So many red things around us. Now let's explore the next color. This is the color orange. Do you want to spell it with me? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Well done. Let's see what orange things we can find. Crunchy orange carrots, bright and yummy. A little clownfish with orange stripes. Bounce, roll, and play, orange basketball. A big tiger with orange stripes. An orange traffic cone, it keeps us safe. We've explored so many orange things. Are you ready for the next color? This is the color yellow. Let's spell it together. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Awesome! Let's find yellow things around us. Sweet yellow bananas, peel and take a bite. A cute yellow rubber duck. Quack, quack. A big yellow school bus. Beep, beep. A tall yellow sunflower standing so bright. The big yellow sun shines so bright. We've seen so many yellow things. Now let's explore a new color. This is the color green. Let's spell it step by step. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Great job. Let's go on a green adventure. Fresh green broccoli, so tasty. Hop, hop, a little green frog. Look, a green trash can ready to recycle. A soft green leaf, so light. A green apple, crunchy and sweet. We found so many green things. Well done! Now let's move to the next color. This is the color blue. Can you spell it with a big smile? B-L-U-E, blue. Well done. Now, let's find some exciting blue things together. Bright blue macaws, so colorful. Wow, a bright blue jay? The big blue sky is so high. Look, a pretty blue butterfly. The deep blue ocean. Blue is all around us. You did awesome. Let's go find a new color. This is the color purple. Let's spell it. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Great job. Time to discover the beauty of purple. Shiny purple eggplants. Lovely purple flowers. A wiggly purple jellyfish. Juicy purple plums. A purple octopus with wiggly arms. We found so many purple things. Great job! Now let's check out the next color. This is the color pink. Can you spell it with me? P-I-N-K. Pink. Amazing! Ready for a fun pink adventure? Cold and yummy, a pink ice cream. Look, a pretty pink flower. A tall pink flamingo standing on one leg. Wow, pink salt, so special. Oink, oink, a cute pink pig. So much pink around us. Get ready for the next color. This is the color brown. Say each letter with me. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Great job. Let's find brown things together. Yummy, sweet brown dates. Look, tasty brown cookies. A big furry brown bear. Delicious sweet chocolate. Listen, a brown violin plays a lovely tune. Brown is all around us. From yummy chocolate to a brown violin. You did amazing. We've learned so many colors. Let's say them all together one last time. Ready? Let's go. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and brown. Great job, little learners! Thank you for learning colors with Bloom and Learn Kids. See you next time for more fun!